Hey guys, welcome to DNA Drives. Today is a cold day here in Michigan. Today's date is November 15th, 2021. Feels like 33 degrees outside, and what better way to spend a nice cold day than to do an oil change on my 2007 Ford Ranger. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and check out the other Ford Ranger content we have on the channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Woo! It is freezing out here. Let's go ahead and start up the Ranger, let it run, get that oil nice and warm so it comes out like butter. Ooh. Ranger danger, brah. Oh my gosh, I need gas. Okay, it just started to sprinkle. Wasn't even on the forecast, bro. Ugh, this is gonna be brutal. Alright, let me show you what I'll be using for this oil change. Right here, I got 5 quarts of 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motorcraft oil from Walmart. I think it was about $8. And then I got this FRAM oil filter, just the cheapest one. It was $3 at Walmart. So about $10, do it all by yourself. Say that's pretty worth it. I think it's snowing out here. So it took me a minute to find the drain plug bolt. By the way, you'll need a 13mm socket. And if you come over to the passenger side, at least on my Ranger, come on over here. Well, it looks like it's about done. It is right here. That is where this bolt is located. And it's angled like this, so I thought it was gonna shoot and just make a mess, and you know, I was thinking, oh, this is such a bad design, but there was plenty of room. It didn't get on any other components on the truck. And it looks like it's getting pretty full there. 5 quarts, almost done. So, let's get on to our next step in the procedure. Hey, if you made it to this part of the video, I just want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and hopefully you gained some knowledge as well. A couple thoughts on the oil change. It was a much needed oil change. I'm glad I did it. It was fairly simple. Just took a 13mm socket. Drain plug is located on the passenger side up towards the front of the vehicle. As for the oil filter, it's located next to the drain plug, but it's positioned more, it sits at a different height up in the vehicle. Word of advice I would like to give you is use a plastic bag as soon as you get it loose. So then when the oil filter becomes loose, the oil and the filter itself will all drain into the bag. I made the mistake of not doing that, and so all the oil went down my sleeve on my hoodie. So definitely wear old clothes that you don't care about while doing your oil change. But that's all I have to say. Good luck on your oil change. Definitely do it yourself. Save a couple bucks. It's fairly simple. It'll take about 20 minutes to do, not even. But thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And if you're new to DNA Drives, consider subscribing. Check out all the other Ranger content. We also got Mustang 5.0 content, FRS, 300 SRT, and a Genesis all on the channel. We're still new to YouTube. We've been doing it for about a year and a half. We're still trying to grow. We're at about 1,200 subs right now. And hopefully we'll be at 1,201 after you subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Take care.